I'm still dreaming of Mandy Yin's delicious curry laksa. She gave my chicken stock 5 stars, so I thought I'd give you the recipe.
Welcome to the spill.
I've got bones from a chicken that I roasted on Sunday. I've got 1 onion that I'm going to slice in half, quarter and peel. I've got spring onions. I didn't want them to go to waste, so why not? Stick them in the stock. And then for the ginger, no fuss, no peeling, just slice as you like. Then for the garlic, I've got 4 cloves here. I'd normally put more in because they're so tiny, but I'm just going to smash those and peel. I've got 1 star anise. I don't know why I used 1, but hey, it worked. This is definitely the most tastiest and cheapest way to make a stock. So I need 1.7 litres of chicken stock. We're going to pop all the ingredients into the pan. We're going to bring that to a simmer and leave to cook for 3 hours uncovered without boiling. Skim off any impurities as you go. Then this should develop into a beautiful brown rich stock. When it's ready, scoop out the bones and drain through a fine sieve. Now doesn't that look tasty?